Welcome to a home where craftsmanship meets nature, where modern elegance blends seamlessly with the beauty of the outdoors. Welcome to this stunning custom-built home completed in 2023. Come and enjoy the privacy and luxury of this home. As you enter the home, you will see the large open floor plan of the kitchen with the nice center island for entertaining, looking into the spacious living room. Sunlight floods into the home through large windows so you can enjoy all the natural light. Every room is a celebration of warmth and openness. Enjoy the long winter range views, and vaulted ceilings create an airy ambiance with rich hardwood floors adding additional warmth to the home. The home has 4 spacious bedrooms, 2 full baths, 2 half baths. Comfort and privacy are woven into every detail. Two dedicated office spaces ensure seamless work from the home, convenience enhanced by high-speed internet. For those with an eye of sustainability, the home is future-ready with smart energy solutions designed for modern living. The conditioned garage revealing solar-ready infrastructure with 220-volt outlets and an EV charging box. Looking to expand, the home sits on 5.43 acres, 1.91 approximately of those acres are unrestricted. This property provides endless possibilities for peaceful retreat for future expansions, a large garage, a guest home, or investment properties. Sellers took extra care in this build with the insulated superior walls, 2x6 walls with spray foam insulation. No expense was spared in this build. Privacy, convenience, and beauty. This home is more than just a home to live in. Come and experience it for yourself.